Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing two of the most iconic Digimon characters in Digimon history minus Omegamon, Taichi and Yamato. These models are knockoffs of the original MEGAHOUSE G.E.M series, which cost around $70. These, however, were picked up for 15 ringgit, which, when converted to American USD, translates to about $5. So, without further ado, let's get right into them. Inside the box you get a stand, Taichi, and Agumon. You also get a replaceable Taichi head with a different expression. Which barely even fits. Agumon has a little hole in his head so that you can fit in Taichi's hand. Getting it in is quite the hassle. Alright, so then we have headless Taichi. Right in. There you go. There it is. So obviously the main issue about buying the knockoff is that the second head doesn't go in quite as easily and it's not a secure fix. Yeah. But it does somewhat go in and it stays in place if you don't move it too much. So that's that. You notice here, Agumon also has another extension on his head that you can put into Taichi's hair. Okay, so that does it for Taichi. Let's move on to the second character, Yamato. Now, Yamato's toy comes fully attached. I don't know if that means we can't detach it, but I'm not going to risk it since it's a knockoff. The attachment is between Yamato's abdomen and Gabumon's back. Like the Taichi figure, Matt also has a separate expression. However, since this is a knockoff, you can see that both their expressions are just one of the same. Let's see if his head is any easier to put inside. Like Taichi, his head loosely fits in, but you know, seeing that this is the same expression, just a different shade of hair, you might as well leave the original one in. The stick for this one sticks much easier. When you stick it in, you'll realize that he's gonna be facing his head down, which is kind of inconvenient, especially if you want to put it on a display, because people are going to be looking at his hair more than his expression and his pet. Another thing that really sucks is that his opened eye expression isn't in the box. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And what are your comments on the knockoffs? Are they worth getting for 15 bucks, or are you better off saving up to buy the original? Leave your thoughts down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.たくましい自分になれるさ